G'day guys, Scotty here from The Hook and the Cook, and welcome back to our channel. Well, it's a bleak and miserable day along Sydney's coast today. I'm heading out with a good mate of mine, Nathan Smith. Now Nathan's a commercial operator that operates right along the Sydney coast and down towards Wollongong. He's been doing this for many years. These guys work damn hard in all types of condition to catch people of Sydney seafood. So I'm going to go out today and see how he operates. It's great to see both sides of fishing, and here on The Hook and the Cook we've showed that many times. So sit back and enjoy an exciting day out from Sydney, catching snapper and various other fish. There you go, mate. You brought me breakfast.
Yeah, breakfast today.
Look at that, some fresh hot cross buns and a lovely, looks like an apple cake.
How good is that, eh?
Is that from the bread shop, is it?
Bread shop this morning, yeah.
And so the rest of it's going to be used in your traps today?
That's it, the boat's full.
Boat's full of bread, fantastic. We're just coming up on Nathan's first trap of the day now. You can see us moving towards the GPS mark there on the plotter. nice thing about this style of fishing, everything is alive in the trap. Any undersized fish go back. And Nathan's just measuring fish now. Just checking his catch. He's got to do this with all of them. Okay, there's the result out of our first trap this morning. Most of the fish went back. Probably about 80% went back out of that first trap. They're undersized. So what are you using there, Nathan, your mix?
Pilchards and bread.
Just pilchards and bread, eh?
And just mix it all in together.
Yeah, nice concoction there.
Nothing special.
Now, just tell me that the hot cross buns you gave me this morning,
Yeah.
they didn't come out of one of these bags, did they?
Possibly. Well, if I didn't give them the year, they would have gone into one of these bags. Stand on the wire somewhere. Stand on the...
That'd be a dirty trap, would it? All
Yeah.
this stuff on it? Oh, yeah. Yeah. Hi?
Push it in.
Push him in. No, you do it. Hey?
Don't get it caught on your feet.
Well, not a bad catch at Trevally, and there's a few snapper in there and a tar line or two I can see. So you got to clean the bubbles, Nate?
Yeah, keep them clean. If they're dirty, I can get fined on fisheries.
Yep.
So every day you just got to make certain you're going over and keeping all the weed, all the growth off them. It's probably hard to see on the camera, but it's covered in little life, the whole bubble.
Yeah.
Depending on the water, it depends on what kind of growth you get.
Right, okay. And that bubble's been in the water for how long?
Couple of weeks.
Couple of weeks, and all that growth turns up in a couple of weeks. Well, after a great day with Nathan on the water yesterday, out catching snapper, at the end of the day I pinched the snapper out of his box, and he's going to come over later. So I'm going to show you guys how to cook this whole snapper on the barbecue. Okay, so we've got our beautiful whole snapper here. Very simple today, not over complicate this. I'm just going to do some deep cuts into the flesh, like that. And simply add a little bit of butter into the cuts. And I'll do this both sides. That's all it needs. Some simple salt flakes from KRIO Krush. These are beautiful, just not too much, just a little bit on top. And some simple black pepper, and flip him over, do exactly the same to the other side. You don't want to overcomplicate it, you don't want to add too many flavours, you want the natural flavour of the fish coming through. Just like that. Again, a little bit of salt and black pepper. Then what I'm going to do, just put my snapper aside for a second. Sheet of foil, lay the snapper on it, and then roll him up. Now if you don't have enough foil, you can put 2 or 3 layers of foil. You just want to make sure you seal your snapper up. So I'll just put him aside, another bit of foil, like so. And after such a great day with Nathan on the water, when he pops over later for lunch, the snapper should be ready. Well, we've got our whole snapper in foil ready to go on the barbecue. Now I've preheated the barbecue. What I'm going to do now is just turn it right down, very low heat, turn a couple of the burners off. I'm putting my snapper on an elevated plate, pull the hood down, Give it about 15 minutes and it should be spot on.
How you going, Scotty?
Yeah, good mate. Perfect timing, mate.
Yeah, perfect time for lunch.
Yeah, fish is ready. Look at that. Hey, nice snapper. Thanks to you yesterday. Hey, looking good. Looking good. So I thought we'd do it pretty simple today. Cooked in foil. No fancy salad, none of that sort of stuff. No. Grab yourself a fork, mate. And we'll just we'll dig in straight off the foil. Pop down, Rose.
What are you doing?
Pop down, Rose. She wants to get in on the action too. You'd love a bit of snapper, I'm sure. I'll try a bit of that, mate. See what you reckon. Nice and simple, just pepper and salt and a bit of butter.
Get off. Way too hot.
Pretty good.
That's awesome, that.
Nice.
Yeah. Really nice.
Now guys, Nathan and I had a fantastic day out in the water. I've cooked him lunch. We're going to sit back now and enjoy this. Just remember you can follow us on Facebook, Twitter and Instagram. Please subscribe to our channel and we'll see you on the water next week somewhere. Cheers.
I'd like to give a big thank you to all our sponsors for 2019.